Hello everyone, I am Ridhima Day of class 5. Today I am sharing my presentation on the skeletal system. The human skeleton consists of the skull, the backbone, the ribcage and the limbs. It provides shape and support to our body and also protects the internal organs. The skull. The skull has 22 bones. The upper part of the skull is hard and consists of 8 bones. It encloses and protects the brain like a helmet. The face region is made of 14 bones. Of these, only the lower jaw bone can move. This enables us to speak and eat. The backbone. The skull is attached to the backbone. The backbone is made of 33 small butterfly-shaped bones called vertebrae. The backbone supports our body and protects the spinal cord. The backbone is also called the vertebral column or the spine. The ribcage. The ribcage consists of 12 pairs of curved bones called ribs. The ribs are attached to the backbone at the back and to the breastbone in the front. The lowest two pairs are attached to the backbone only. They are called floating ribs. The ribcage encloses the heart and lungs and protects them from injury. The limbs. The arms and the legs are called limbs. The arms are attached to the shoulder bones. The upper arm has one long bone called humerus. The lower arm has two bones. The upper arm joins the lower arm at the elbow. Many small bones make up the wrist and hand. The legs. The thigh bone, called femur, is attached to the hip bones. Femur is the longest bone in our body. The lower leg has two bones. The upper leg meets the lower leg at the knee. Many small bones make up the ankle and foot. Hinge joint. The joints in our elbows, knees, fingers and toes are like the hinges of a door. They allow movement in one direction only. Pivot joint. The skull joins the backbone at the neck. This joint helps us to move our head sideways, upwards, downwards, and also to rotate it. Such a joint is called a pivot joint. Gliding joint. Gliding joints are found between the bones in the wrist and ankle and also between the vertebrae of the backbone. These bones have flat ends that can move by sliding against each other. They make it possible for us to bend our back and twist and turn our wrists and ankles. Ball and socket joint. In these joints, the end of one bone is shaped like a ball. The end of the other bone is shaped like a cup or socket. The ball end neatly fits into the socket. A ball and socket joint allows movement in all directions. Examples are shoulder joint and hip joint. Functions of the skeleton. The skeleton gives shape, support, and strength to the body. The skeleton protects the delicate organs inside our body, such as the brain, spinal cord, heart, and lungs. The long bones, such as the bones in the arms and legs, are hollow and are filled with a soft jelly-like substance called bone marrow. The blood cells of our body are made in the bone marrow. I would like to share some interesting facts on the skeletal system. Our teeth are a part of the skeletal system. However, they are not considered as bones. Bones are so light that they make up only about 14% of our body's weight. Bones are at least 5 times strong as steel. When a baby is born, it has more than 300 bones. Many of these bones fuse together as the baby grows. An adult skeleton has 206 bones. I hope this presentation has enhanced your knowledge about the skeletal system and made your concepts clear on it. Thank you for watching my presentation.